Hey, what's up guys? Irman here, Monster Gadgets. Welcome back yet to another video. Today we're looking at two car mounts by Jouwa. They were nice enough to send these to me for free. As you guys know, I've done a number of product reviews for them in the past and I always give my honest opinion. So today we're gonna go ahead and take a look at them, set them up in my 21 Tesla Model T Performance and see what they're like. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, welcome back. So in my previous video, I've done a separate install on another mount that Jouwa had sent me. This is one of their older ones, which I can go ahead and basically stow away like this. So that way when I'm not using it, it is not at all visible. And if I wanted to use it, I can simply just pull it out and use this to go ahead and mount my phone on there. But today we're looking at two new mounts by them. This one is a 480-degree invisible fold-away car mount. And then this one is also a 480-degree invisible fold-away car mount. This one has a universal roller mount, and this one has a MagSafe wireless charging. So my previous one for the iPhone, it does not have MagSafe. It's just basically mounts on there. This one's got the MagSafe, and then this one is more of a universal mount. So first, let's go ahead and unbox the MagSafe one. So let's take a look and see what this is like. The side, it tells you MagSafe wireless charging, invisible and fold-away design. I'm guessing it'll be similar to the one that I already have on here, but with the added feature of MagSafe, 120-degree rotation and washable base, one-handed operation. In the back, it's got a QR code, so you can go and scan that for more information. And basically it gives you just bullet points of the features that it has. And the side gives you a outlook of what it actually looks like. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm actually in my car and I don't have my pocket knife with me, which I guess I should have brought. So we're gonna go ahead and try to open this up without a pocket knife. This is the box that it comes in. It's got a USB-C to USB-C, 1.7 meter cable. Quick start guide video right there. Again, scan the QR code if you want to do that. And this is the actual mount itself. That's for the cables, instruction booklet, and the cable itself. Okay, let's take a look at this. How to hide the cables, it tells you how to quickly do that. You can tuck the cables into the side strip and then plug it into the USB-C in your car. They're actually telling you to use the back USB-C. So basically you run it from where I have it right now along the side of the trim here and use the back USB-C to plug that in. So that's interesting, but I guess that would work. So let me just go ahead and put that aside for a second. Let's take a look at the actual mount. And yeah, it looks like it's got a very similar design to the one that I currently have. That is Hideaway in the back. So the suction on this is a bit different. I'm not going to use that right now, but it would basically go in the back like this. So let's go ahead and see if I can get the other one off. I don't know how easily it'll come off the screen, but I'm going to try and see if I can get this off without doing any damage to my screen. I am basically just pushing around the cup in an effort to get this off, and I think I got it like halfway off. And I guess it's a good thing. It's super secure. And I probably could have used something to help get this off, but I don't know. I need a better view on this. Let me show you what it looks like from the from the back. Oh. Let's try it this way. So that's what it is right now, and I'm trying to get this off, which I think I pretty much got. So I do need both hands for this, so let me try it with both hands instead of holding the camera with one. All right, let me put this back down. So I did leave some residue in the back, which I'll have to get off, but I was able to get it off all the way, which is interesting. So I guess the new one, I'm not going to be able to mount in the same place until I get the residue off. See that? It's coming off. Maybe there's a better way to get these off. I don't know. If you do know, let me know in the comment section below, but it took quite a bit of force to get this off. Maybe a heat gun or a dryer or blow dryer, but I wouldn't want to damage the screen. So if you know of a better way to get this off, let me know, but they do have it on here very, very well. So I'm actually not going to do an install of this new one, but as you can imagine, I would basically, once I do get the residue off the back of the screen, I would basically mount it here, and it's got a USB connection on the back, so I would run that cable like they said per the instructions down the side here. Now I'm curious because I would still see the cable coming down here unless there's a way that I don't really think I can run it from the back of the screen down without having to look at it. But I guess that's why they give you the little clips. You could use a clip to clip in the back and have it come down. So this is where it's gonna go, and I would run the USB-C cable in the back. So sorry, can't do an install. I don't want to put it in a different place because I do want to get that residue off before I do an install on this one. But let's go ahead and take a look at the other one they sent. This one is more of a universal mount versus the one that's for the MagSafe or Apple. So let me go ahead and open this one up and take a look and see what this one's like. Of course, the link for both of the items will be in the description below, so you guys can go check that out if you want to pick one up yourself. Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. The QR code's there. And this one's got, even though this is a universal one, same type of setup, same exact mounting system, same exact bracket. The only thing here is press this button, it comes out. So for those of you that might be Samsung users or other phone users, you can put this in here and lock it in place, just like that. Oh, maybe not. So let's see. Yeah, that seems pretty secure. Press the button to release and pull out. The one thing I can tell you right off the bat is I don't like this wood type of trim or whatever you want to call it. It's not actual wood, I don't think. Might be some type of a fake wood, but that certainly does ruin or doesn't really flow well with the interior of my car because it's a performance. I don't have the wood trim on here on the side. I have just the white trim. So I will not be using this. But if you don't mind that, or if you already have the wood trim in your car and this will actually work or look well with it, this could be a great option for you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you are in the market for these, again, check out the link in the description below and you can go ahead and pick one up yourself. But if you did like the video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.